Hi, everyone, and welcome to this special Tech Tuesday episode, Beyond the Display, Unlocking Value through Sony's Partner Ecosystem. I'm Terrence Boyd, and today I'm excited to walk you through Sony's Alliance and Technology Partner Program and how it's helping to do more than ever with our Bravia professional displays and AV solutions. Now, you probably already know Sony for our incredible picture quality, our reliability, and of course, our innovation. But here's the thing. We don't just stop at the display. What really sets Sony apart is our focus on integration. We want our displays to be a part of something bigger, a solution that works smarter, communicates better, and delivers more value. That's why we've built a network of over 100 technology partners. More than 20 of those are formal alliance partners who specialize in areas like digital signage, AV control, device management, collaboration, and hardware accessories. Each one of these brings something unique to the table, helping us to deliver more complete and powerful experiences for our customers. Now, let's take a look at what that ecosystem looks like and how these partnerships are making a real difference. Let's start with digital signage. Sony partners with some of the most trusted names in CMS, like AppSpace, SkyKit, Navori, Corbett, and others, to deliver content that's not only eye-catching, but also relevant, timely, and easy to manage. These platforms are designed to run on our Bravia professional displays using built-in system-on-chip technology. That means no external players, fewer cables, and faster, cleaner setups. It also means lower cost of ownership and a quicker deployment, which our customers love. From powering communications across large corporate offices to retail campaigns across hundreds of stores to real-time dashboards and operation centers, our signage partners help bring Sony displays to life in a smart, efficient way. Each partner brings something different to the table, like interactivity, compliance-based scheduling, or data visualization, so customers can choose what works best for their specific needs. And now, let's take a look at a few of those partners in actions to see how they're helping Sony customers communicate more effectively.
Hey, this is Khalil Lee in beautiful sunny San Diego. We are here at the Sony Tech Expo, and currently we're running our Corbett application natively on Sony so that we're able to run it through the Google Play Store. A quick download, point it to an application, and then also we're showcasing the smaller form factors. So this is a Zoom application where we're able to utilize, when it's not in a meeting mode, the same credentials, information, statistics, maybe metro times, arrival departures, all that fun stuff, things that help businesses run, orders, ship, all that fun stuff. So yeah, all the same powerful formats, whether it be a small form factor or a large one, you can find it at Corbett.com. Thanks.
Hi, I'm Andre White. I'm with BrightSign, exhibiting here today at Sony's AV Tech Expo, and we're showing our latest line of Series 5 players, including our XC4055, that's a quad output player. We just recently introduced a 5-year warranty on all Series 5 players, so as of January 1st this year, when you purchase a Series 5 player, it'll come with a 5-year warranty to help protect that investment over time. If you'd like some more information, please reach out to us at www.brightsign.biz, and we'd be happy to tell you more. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Charles Plaza. I'm a partner manager here at AppSpace, and we're here at the Sony AV Tech Expo in beautiful San Diego, displaying our workplace experience platform. Very, very happy to be a partner of Sony for this event. So what we're showing here is digital signage on Sony displays, but as you can see, we do a lot more here at AppSpace. A lot of other use cases are very important for customers to be aware of what we do around our platform. We're doing things like room booking on the Crestron TSS panel. We have an employee app, wayfinding and kiosking and way to get around the buildings, as well as hot desking and other aspects of AppSpace. So if you want to learn more about what we offer here, definitely stop by the booth and appreciate the partnership with Sony. Thanks a lot.
Hello, this is Tomer Munn with 22 Miles here at the Sony Roadshow in San Diego. I wanted to present what we do as a digital signage solution, our digital connections, whether it is templates and all of that experiences, social media widgets, RSS feeds, different things. This is actually our in-house capabilities, to room booking capabilities, to even the flexibility to have an Outlook plugin that allows you to book and streamline your experience within Outlook with Teams, and also then carry that over to a full touchscreen experience with booking and our 3D wayfinding solution. We allow you to basically create a holistic approach to your digital experience with any digital device, from a Teams to a mobile to a video wall to a multi-touch experience within one easy-to-use application. Reach out to 22miles.com for more information. Thank you very much.
Hello, this is Sean from Now Signage. We're here at the Sony AV Tech Expo, and today we are showcasing our digital signage CMS and our full compatibility with the Sony's Pro Bravia line of displays. Today we're showing a few things. We're highlighting our capability in the QSR space as well as the retail space with retail media networks. We have a robust suite of apps to help support those verticals, as well as virtually all verticals. We have some great apps for corporate communications, like our Power BI integration. So if you want more information on that, please stop at nowsignage.com or check us out on LinkedIn. Thanks.
Hello, I'm Mike, and I'm at the Sony AV Tech Expo. I'm at the VTech booth, and what we're showcasing at the booth is our IPTV digital signage platform. It's a very modular platform that allows not only IPTV and digital signage, but there's wayfinding, video walls that we can control all through one single centralized platform. What we can do is stream out to computer desktops, TV sets, mobile devices, video walls, and obviously doing wayfinding. It's a very modular platform. It can either sit in the cloud or it can be within a customer's firewall. For more information, contact us at www.vitecvtech.com.
Hi, I'm Mike Atwater, and I'm here representing Uniguest at the Sony San Diego Expo. Right now, what I'm showcasing is our Hotel Interactive TV, all cloud-based, and includes the ability to manage any type of screen that you need, digital signage, TVs, even QR code compendium. Looking forward to meeting everybody this week, and have a great one.
Hi, this is Nick Delonsky with SkyKit, and we're at the Sony AV Tech Expo. So today we're showcasing our SkyKit digital signage platform. So I brought our P3 player with me today, and one of the things that you'll notice about SkyKit is we have a proprietary player that we will use. We have 4 different models. They're all very small form factor. And the reason that we do this is you're able to actually have control over the player itself. It's going to be something that your end customer will value from a security standpoint. It is from the firmware up, a SkyKit player. All of our players will connect either Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and we have cellular options if you have public sector or government employees. From there, it just plugs right into the HDMI. You connect to the network. Everything else will be done remotely from a web browser. So you can set up on your TVs different playlists of content. You can have your standard PDFs, you can have your JPEGs, PNGs, but the real magic with SkyKit happens when you use our dashboard connection. And what that is a real-time authenticated session into business analytics tools. If your customer has Salesforce, they have reporting they'd like to show real-time on the screens, they can do that through SkyKit with an authenticated session using their multi-factor authentication, and it'll keep it real-time. So think Jira, Power BI, Tableau, to name a few amongst the 60 connections that we have. But it's a great product, easy to use, scalable, anywhere from 1 to 2 customers to enterprise that have over 1,000 screens. We're here for you. And to learn more, please visit us at skykit.com.
Hey, I'm Desiree Aoki with Signage Live here at the Sony AV show in sunny Southern California in San Diego. And today we're showcasing our 3 differentiators, which are scalability, security, and support. From a support perspective, we are 24/5. Scalability, we can reach anything globally, any opportunity, any time frame. And from a security perspective, we are ISO 27001 certified. Also today, I'm talking about our screen feed partnership that launched January 1st. So now we are fully API integrated with ScreenFeed, which is our third-party content provider. Now you can go on the Signage Live marketplace, click on that ScreenFeed widget, and integrate directly into the ScreenFeed platform, where you can find things like ready-to-go templates, ready-to-go content, as well as social media integration. So for any further information, you can go on signagelive.com, or you connect with me on LinkedIn, Desiree Aoki, that's AOKI. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Chris. I'm at the Sony AV Tech Expo, and I'm here representing Spectrio. Spectrio is an on-premise marketing software solution focusing on digital signage here today. We look to innovate the space by putting the right content in front of your consumer base at the right time. In many ways, we're innovating by leveraging things like analytics through a radar sensor or through pinhole cameras, where we can identify who's in front of our screens, what type of engagement is happening with the content that's on screen, and again, to deliver the right content at the right time. If you'd like to hear more about Spectrio, please come visit us at spectrio.com. We'd love to see you there. Thank you again.
Now, let's talk about control and what happens after the install. In any modern AV environment, whether it's a boardroom, classroom, or command center, you need more than just a screen. You need control, automation, and visibility. And that's why Sony works hand in hand with leading AV control and remote management partners like Crestron, Extron, QSC, and AMX, companies that help make spaces smarter and easier to manage. These partners provide everything from certified control drivers and plugins to full remote monitoring dashboards. Whether you're programming a room with Crestron connected, managing devices in the XIO cloud, or using QSys to automate meeting flow and monitor endpoints, our displays are built to integrate directly into these platforms. It's not just about turning things on and off. It's about creating fluid, intelligent environments that work the way people do. For IT teams or AV integrators managing dozens or hundreds of spaces, these are platforms that also deliver centralized control, letting you push updates and monitor system health and resolve issues before anyone in the room even notices. It all adds up to faster deployments, simplified programming, remote support, and uptime visibility, and a much better user experience. So, let's take a look at how AV control and remote management partners are working with Sony to deliver more intelligent, connected, manageable AV spaces.
Hello, I'm Kyle Rosenblum, National Sales Director for Aurora Multimedia here at the Sony AV Expo. And today we're showing the capability of incorporating our IP control system into the Sony Pro Bravia displays. So essentially, this main display here becomes the head end of my control system. And our Reax control environment would live inside on their processor, while at the same time serving up web pages essentially to all of our control processors, these individual touch panels that we have. We're also showing off the fact that our smallest has built into it a Dante beamforming microphone and Dante speaker. So this now becomes not only the control interface for your Sony hosted control system, but it also becomes your microphone and your output speaker. I'd like to thank Sony for having us today, and if you'd like to learn more, you can find us at auroramm.com.
Hey there, this is Shane McDonald with Excite here in San Diego at the Sony Tech Expo, and I'm here to show all the dealers and end customers at the show Connect Plus. What Connect Plus is the first of its kind cloud-based inclusive ecosystem so that people who are supporting AV installations can monitor every device regardless of brand. We're going to be here, so if you're an end user, an installer, or a manufacturer, come by and check us out. If you want to learn more, check out excite.io.
Hello, I'm Scott Reggie. I'm at the Sony AV Tech Expo, and I'm here representing QSC. We have a wide variety of products, as you can see on the screen. Everything is run by our core processors. That's the brains of the system. And then with that, we have an array of peripherals from audio, video, extenders, control, and a cloud-based management and monitoring system. If you'd like to know anything, any additional information, please look at our website at qsc.com. Thank you.
Hi, Bob Bevilacqua with Crestron Electronics here at Sony AV Expo. What we're showcasing here is a few of our solutions. Over to the right here, what we're showcasing is our brand new Video Bar 70, which is a Teams, all-in-one Teams. We have a Zoom solution, which comes with the soundbar, 3 embedded cameras, and our touchscreen controller. So what we're showcasing here is some digital signage to kind of show some of our other solutions. So over here we're showing our Automate VX and our One Beyond camera. This is again digital signage showcasing what a solution like that would do in a room with say 4 to 6 or maybe even 8 Pro Bravia displays surrounding the room. So with AI camera tracking, speaker tracking, with beamforming, participants can have meeting equity. And it kind of combines what we do with Sony as well as our all-in-one Zoom and Teams solutions. Over here to the left, what we're showcasing is our Air Media solution, which is really cool. Air Media is our wireless presentation and conferencing, also a BYOD platform and digital signage solution. So what has been getting a lot of attention here throughout the day is this solution here. For a very attractive price point, you can enable any open collaboration area or traditionally a huddle room where organizations aren't throwing a lot of technology dollars at. And you can enable them to be BYOD conferencing, so the client could choose the platform of their choice running on their laptop. They could present wirelessly. If they have our One Connect adapter, within a second they could plug the adapter in and immediately present their desktop. So imagine a client waiting to join a meeting off to the left-hand side here, where there's a full-scale Crestron UC solution, but they want to start the meeting early. They can do so through a very attractive solution sitting behind the Pro Bravia that turns that into an open collaboration area. When the meeting is done, why not enable that space to be a digital signage endpoint? So this solution supports Corbett, 22 miles, AppSpace, and a bunch of others that we're going to be adding to extend the value of the endpoint, in this case the Pro Bravia display, to now be a BYOD meeting space as well as a digital signage space. Also, table stakes here, all Sony Pro Bravia displays have embedded Crestron control and remote management. Quite simply what that means, no need for the remote control. So the display can be completely controlled through a touchscreen on the conference room table or a web UI, and the end client, the AV administrator, the IT administrator can get business intelligence from the device through their XIO Cloud dashboard. To learn more about it, visit Crestron.com. Thanks a lot for your time.
In today's world, collaboration needs to work across locations, devices, and time zones. Sony displays are a natural fit for modern workplaces, and we've partnered with top unified communications solution providers to make sure we fit right into platforms like Microsoft Teams Rooms, Google Meets, and Zoom Rooms. Whether you're outfitting a huddle space, a hybrid boardroom, or even a full-blown executive center, our displays integrate with certified compute solutions, PTZ cameras, and UC hardware kits to deliver a great meeting experience. So, wherever your team is, on-site, remote, or somewhere in between, Sony displays make sure communication is clear, immersive, and easy. Let's take a moment to highlight some of our UC and collaboration partners and see how they help bring Sony-powered meetings to life.
Hey, it's Adriana Gil with Nureva. We are at the Sony AV Tech Expo and we're showing our Generation 2 products, the HDL 310 and the HDL 410. I actually have my colleague Sham in the room and he is showing how our solution works with the Sony camera. So as he walks around, he's showing the audio and he's actually showing how the camera is actually following him, the tracking camera, and how our solutions integrate together. So come here and see me.
Hello, my name is Justin Bauer. I'm a Strategic Alliances Manager here at Jabra. Handle our relationship with Sony, and we're at the Sony AV Expo. here in sunny San Diego, and we're just highlighting a couple of our solutions here on the table. We have our Panacast 20 right now that we're showing, running a Teams room meeting. Highlighting into a larger room would be our Panacast VBS. This is our Android operating solution that then can be paired up with a tablet. And you can run this in either a BYOD mode or a Zoom room or Microsoft Teams room. It has 180 degrees field of view. It can also handle dual monitors as well. We have our Speak 275, which can be paired with our Panacast 20 for a BYOD environment or a quick huddle room. And it also can be paired with another Speak 275 from a daisy chain to do even a larger room. On our far side of the table, we have a couple of our headsets. These are more of our unified communications headsets, Bluetooth, dual Bluetooth capabilities, active noise cancellation, and so on. So obviously this is a small amount of our products here at Jabra, but for more information, you can go to jabra.com or reach out to any of the local integrators or DMRs. Have a good day.
Hi, I'm Sarah Atkinson with Sonos. We're excited to be here at the Sony AV Tech Expo. We're showcasing our partnership here with the Sony ES receiver paired with a Sonos port. Essentially will allow the receiver to become another Sonos zone in the home, so a nice, really seamless connection between our two products. So we're really excited to showcase that today. In addition, we have our new Arc Ultra soundbar, as you can see here. It's the newest soundbar in our lineup, as well as Air 100 Pro, which is actually the first piece of hardware that we've launched exclusive to our installer channel. So really excited to have a piece of hardware tailored to a commercial application, along with our Sonos Pro software solution as well for businesses. So thank you for having us.
Hi, I'm Adam Burns from Logitech, and I'm here at the Sony Tech Expo, where together Sony and Logitech are providing groundbreaking and innovative solutions to your conference room and collaboration needs that bring unstoppable productivity and collaboration. For more information, see us at logitech.com. Thank you.
Finally, let's talk about the physical setup. To deliver a complete solution, we partner with trusted hardware brands like Legrand, Peerless AV, and others who provide the mounts, carts, and enclosures and accessories that make Sony displays ready for real-world use. Whether it's a wall-mounted display in a hotel or a mobile cart in a classroom, our hardware partners build the right support systems to make sure our displays are installed correctly, cleanly, and built to last. They understand the engineering requirements of our displays, dimensions, airflow, and weight, and they help make sure installations are smooth and dependable. Let's take a quick look now at how our hardware partners bring Sony displays into the real world with style, accessibility, and strength.
Hi, I'm Jeff Blankensop with Peerless AV. We're here today at the Sony AV Tech Tour in San Diego. Really happy to be here. Today, Peerless is showing its kitted universal DV LED mounting system. It's designed really nicely for the Sony CLED BH and CH product. It's great to install, easy to install. It has X, Y, and Z adjustment, so the video wall can be perfectly flat for the beautiful Sony CLED LED displays. And then over here, we have what we call our STS 650. This is a full service mount. It pops off the wall. It supports Sony Bravia displays, and it makes for a great solution for video conferencing and UCC. You can put a in-wall box behind it, so you can put all your tech in it as well. So we're happy to be here today in San Diego with Sony Electronics.
Hi, I'm John Presbolinski with TSI Touch here at the Sony AV Tech Expo in San Diego, where we're showcasing in the background video our glass retention bezel system and the protection, as you can see from the balls bouncing off of it, lasting. And then we also have on the Sony 55-inch our IR solution of touch. So If you'd like to know more about TSI Touch, please visit our website at www.tsitouch.com.
Hi, I'm Art Foxall from Legrand AV here at the Sony AV Expo here in San Diego, showcasing some of the Legrand AV products from C2G, Chief, Daylight, Middle Atlantic, Luxel, Vadio, and showcasing some of the new USB extenders from C2G for USB 3.0, as well as Middle Atlantic Power and solutions. Looking forward to speaking to customers about the new tempo mounts and solutions for our customers. And please visit legrandav.com for more information.
Hey, I'm Paul Saber from Leon Speakers. I'm here at the Sony AV Tech Expo in San Diego. We're really proud to be partnering with Sony and showing our Leon solutions here for meeting rooms, boardrooms, and high-impact spaces. We do that with essentially two main products: our Horizon Interactive product, which is our soundbar, custom built to the width of every display, into which we can embed PTZs and all-in-one cameras, and then our Edge media frames, which allow us to frame displays, and in doing so hide everything that's behind the display. You don't see the mount, you don't see the cables, you don't see any of the electronics that are mounted on the wall. We're elevating spaces by adding both aesthetic and acoustic to these meeting spaces. You can learn more by visiting our website, leonspeakers.com, and if you'd like to get a digital version of our brochure, just reach out to sales@leonspeakers.com.
So that's a quick tour of Sony's partner ecosystem and how we're going beyond the display to unlock real value for our customers. By working with leaders from across the AV landscape, we're delivering integrated, scalable, and easy-to-use solutions that actually solve real business challenges. Together with our partners, we're enabling faster installs, smarter control, scalable deployments, better communication, and ultimately, better experiences. I also want to mention, if you're looking to dive deeper into what's shaping the future of digital signage, be sure to check out our Screens Unscripted series, a collection of fireside chats with subject matter visionaries from across the digital signage industry. You can find those recorded sessions now on our Sony Professional YouTube channel. And don't forget to visit pro.sony.com to explore our extensive portfolio of professional displays, cameras, AV solutions, integration tools, and our growing ecosystem of hardware and technology partners. We also want to sincerely thank each of our partners. Your innovation, collaboration, and dedication to bring Sony solutions to life in the most meaningful and relevant ways. We're proud to work alongside you as we continue to grow this ecosystem together. Thanks again for joining us on this Tech Tuesday episode, and we'll see you next time.